Welcome back to Nomadergarage, and in today's episode we are doing rust repair and painting on the 57 Wagon. And we're going to use our portable paint booth for the first time. Let's go!
Well guys, I'm into it now. I black sanded the entire top. It had these strange veins, depressions in there. And I've owned this car for about 6 or 7 years. It really hasn't gotten any worse. I mean, it hasn't lifted or chipped or rust, but I'm not sure how that happened. But I skimmed it, blocked it out. Now I'm gonna put on a coat of high build primer, followed by a seal coat, and then call the top done. I started picking at the bubbles in the doors and the rocker panel. And, well, this is what we get. See, that's a buildup of, I don't know what. More rust. So I cut this little chunk out here that was here, and it's just packed with debris. I saturated the rusty metal with this duplicate rust fix. Will it work? I don't know. This is more probably happy thoughts. Then on top of that, I'll put some POR 15 top coat, and then we'll weld in the new pieces. So I got these two, one in the door, another one in the second door, back in that corner, a big piece in there to fill in, and then about 3 or 4 on the other side. All right, folks, we're back to the arts and crafts portion of today's show.
Yay, arts and crafts!
Pretty simple. You just cut out little cardboard pieces to fit in the areas that were cut out, and then transfer them to metal. And like you see here, cardboard template, take that out, transfer it to metal, and then we'll weld all these pieces in. This side's tacked in. The bottom piece there is fully welded in. So now you need to finish welding it up and knock it down and move on to the other side. Jacob, we got this new endoscope. I think it's really cool, but I just don't know what to use it on first.
Nick, what do you guys want now?
I got this endoscope. It's brand new, never used it. And I want to try it out. I want to run it up your nose and check out your sinuses.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
No, absolutely not. Are you ready?
Yes.
Whoa, dude.
Is that his brain?
Looks like it is. Don't tell him.
Very funny.
Found another patch in the front fender. What do you think is behind door number 3? Oh, that's not good. Hey, what are you guys doing over there?
Pipe back on.
Your pipe back on? Was it broken?
It's the one that cut off to take off the resonator. But it happened so. It didn't help well. So went to Rally's, exchanged some parts, put a band clamp on.
Is it gonna go faster?
Yeah, so there's no more leaks coming out.
You gotta put some race stickers on there. That'll make it go faster.
Not yet.
Here we are at our local paint supplier, Willie Auto Supply in Ham Lake. And we're using this cool little camera to read the paint to get a paint match as close as possible. All right, we got both sides sanded out, blocked, scuffed up with the high build primer. And now next, we'll put some primer sealer on it. And then that's ready to shoot. So I scuffed up to the piece of chrome here, and then I'll just clear coat, try to blend in the paint, and then clear coat from below that piece of chrome. So we're not going for a full repaint here. I try to get some primer on the top here, block that out, and then spray some primer sealer on here. And I got the portable paint booth ready to be inflated. I've never tried this before. I'm curious to see how it works. We're gonna drive this into here. We'll start painting. There it is, all zipped up. One thing I really like about this so far is it's got a lot of natural light coming in, so you can see what you're doing. A couple coats of primer, that blocked out. About 3 coats of base coat, and I think probably about 4 coats of clear. So I've got some sanding to do, but this is all zipped up. Nothing can get in it from the outside. Day 3. So today we're gonna spray some color on the side and then clear coat that. Finished the top yesterday, and this is day 3 for the Jumpy House paint booth. It's a beautiful day today, a little warm. It's gonna be a little warm in the terrarium, but it's gonna be good. Another nice thing about this portable paint booth is it's portable. So let's say you got a buddy. It's got a 64 Bonneville, maybe even if it's red. You could take it over to his house and spray the car once he gets it prepped. You got everything taped off, ready to spray some color. This is tedious. Not my favorite part of the project. Finished spraying the base coat, clear coat. So now the wagon's sitting in its little cocoon, away from flies, gnats, dogs, dog hair. It's a nice, clean environment. So the way this works, you got 2 blowers here. Big blower controls the structure, that's this one here. And then the smaller blower blows in inside here. So it feeds in, the small guy feeds in right in there. And then you have this in-between room. Then you have the structure itself. So that inside, when I'm blowing the inside air, that air is coming through the black filters on either side. And then it pushes out of these filters here. So overall, yeah, I like it. I think it was worth it. Would I buy it again? Yes. You think about all the time you have to take to cover up a garage. It's just a lot of time. So one of the things you got to watch out for is this will act like a terrarium. So if you're down in Texas and it's 100+ degrees and you want to shoot this out in your driveway and you got no shade, this thing will get really, really hot. So I would keep that in mind. Got the car out of the slowly deflating paint booth and it came out pretty good. No runs, no bugs, pretty shiny before polishing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
I got this endoscope, and what I want to do is I want to run it up your nose and check out. I want to run it up your nose and check out your sinuses. Nick, you gotta try harder.
But you're smiling.
I know, no, I'm not. I'm angry now.
Okay, all right.
I'm angry.
Okay, all right.
All right. I just got this up.